In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap out these seat frame clips on the back of the seat, as well as this female buckle that connects and makes it so the seat is connected to the frame of the wagon. So the first thing you need to do, every single seat has one of these Velcro strips. Pretty easy to remove if you have a broken one here or here. Pretty easy. Just stick your hand up inside, on the inside of the white part. There's a small clip. All you have to do is turn it so that it slips out, and you can remove the old one. And then to put the new one in, just keep your hand in there, push the new one through, and then pull it through like that. The same thing can be done with these seat frame clips very easily. Just turn it sideways, push it out, push it back in, turn it the other way, and you're good to go. That's it. And then all you have to do is reseal your Velcro on the back side, and you're done.